it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I'm coming by today because I received an order from NBeads. They kindly contacted me, and these are what they sent, and they are gorgeous. Let's see. I don't see a particular like promotion code or anything right now on the website. But I'll leave all links listed below. And I'll open these and get right back. Okay, first on the list is these glass pearls. And it's a 50-piece set. And it was 39 cents. Then I got 3 different sizes of Crackle glass beads, because y'all know I'm crazy about Crackle glass beads. They go really nice on the resin shakers. So these were, let's see, first of all, it was 20 grams, and it was 41 cents. Okay. Oh, sorry. This one is 55 grams, and it was 41 cents. And this one is further down the list, so I have to tell you that. Okay, what was next? Let's see. These little glass hearts. 5 pieces were 45 cents. Those are really pretty. Glass faceted hearts. And that one is probably really pretty on the other side. I can't open it to find out. There we go. Oh, it looks the same. Oh well, it's still really pretty. Okay. Sorry, wasting time. Then are these little, they're called an alloy hanger link. They are cadmium free and something else. 4 grams, 10 pieces. It's a mixed color, and they were 57 cents. Whoo-hoo. Okay. These are round glass Electroplate, 32 gram, 31 cents. And then, I'm not sure about the glass bead strand. Maybe it might actually be these. 18 grams, 37 cents. These are the natural pyrite. No, so sorry. These are the natural pyrite. And they were 30 grams and $2.16. I'm gonna tell you right now, these really pretty. So, a bag in a bag. Hopefully you can see. They've got a really, they're black, but they've got a gold luster to them. Some of them more than others, obviously. They're really heavy and really pretty. Okay, now these are the brass rhinestone spacers. Sorry, it's a bag in a bag again. Can't even get one of them to turn the right direction. They have rhinestones across the front of the bead, and then the hole goes side to side. These are Aurora Borealis, and these are just regular rhinestones. And those were, let's see, the regular rhinestones were $1.57 for 25 grams. 200 pieces. And the AB ones were 27 grams for 200 pieces, and they were $2.95. Okay, then we've got Electroplate glass beads. Really pretty. These are a bicone, 12 grams for 49 cents. Okay, these are the round natural dragon vein, I believe they're agate, 55 grams, and they were $1.33. Those are so pretty. Okay. Then we got these are natural agate. 12 grams, $1.15. Then these are natural Indian agate. 10 grams for $1.10. These are the natural carnelian beads. So gorgeous. I don't know why I'm crazy about green and orange. I've always been crazy about green and orange. Let's see, 22 grams for $1.33. Those are stunning. And of course I had to get these because I've always loved hematite. These are a non-magnetic synthetic hematite. 80 grams because they are very heavy. $1.03. So pretty, so lustrous. Okay, and synthetic hematite, non-magnetic synthetic hematite. 80 grams for $1.03. They are very heavy and super pretty. I've always loved hematite. So, I don't care that it's synthetic hematite. These are glass bead round glass bead strand. And they are electroplated, of course. 20 grams, 35 cents. Okay. Tibetan style spacer beads. 20 pieces. These are 18 grams and they were 91 cents. Okay, and they're real metal. Sorry, these are round glass bead. 20 grams for 35 cents, and these are really pretty. They have a real amethyst kind of look to them. These are a natural lava bead, and I love the size. 35 grams for 60 cents. Okay. These are Tibetan style. These are an alloy spacer bead. 10 grams, there's 100 pieces. And they were 84 cents. La la la. I know this is not right. Somewhere I got confused. These apparently, I don't know. They're really pretty. Somewhere I did get confused. I mislabeled these, and somewhere there's some natural larvacite, and I don't know what those are. It says they're black. These are round frosted natural something. That was real convenient. Jade. That was so hard to figure out, wasn't it? Really pretty. I really like the variations in color. Really pretty. Two more. These are an iron corrugated, just a spacer bead. 100 pieces and pretty weighty. 20 grams, 44 cents. And last but not least, these look just like a ball chain, but they're a little bit larger, and they're a round glass bead. And they were 9 grams, 28 cents. That's it. Thank you so much. to NBeads. These are fantastic, okay? I'll come back with a couple of demos to share with you as well. Like I said, all the links to everything will be listed below. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, thank you so much to NBeads. I do have an Amazon shop, an Etsy shop, all that kind of stuff. All my social media links are listed below. Plus, like I said, I'll have the NBeads link and promotion codes and all of that kind of thing. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye for now.